What's good to YouTube? It's your boy Crazy Chris in the building. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Today we test tasting some food I got from Chili's and Bar. What is it called? Chili's Grill and Bar. You know what I'm saying? We got some tenders right here, some honey tenders, some cheeseburger sliders. It's smacking right here. And, I read some fat mozzarella sticks. I was wondering, they like hot sticks. They ain't mozzarella sticks, but they hot. And they fat. Damn, it's a little, well, like, the burger good. It's a little pinkish. I like my burgers well done. Y'all know how us black folks is. Let's get into this though. Let's see this. This is what's happening. Damn, they ain't got no marinara sauce. No, what you call sauce? I love the cheese. I love thick cheese when I'm eating mozzarella sticks. Make me feel like I'm chewing on a chewing gum. Oh man. This is gonna be my new spot. This is my first time eating from this spot. It's called Chili's Grill and Bar. My first time eating from this spot, and it's gonna be many more. Gotta wash this down. Come on. I'm glad I kept that Sprite. Hey, it was in the refrigerator from Burger King for like 2 days. You know what I mean? God damn. These mozzarella sticks are something serious, bro. For real. They got it seasoned just right. Right now I got a little slight toothache. I know these little tenders, they're a little sweet probably, but hopefully it don't wake up that nerve in my tooth. You dig what I'm saying? But this right here is slapping. Hope I left that sauce in the bag. We don't got no sauces here with me right now. But yeah, y'all. I don't know if y'all got Chili's Bar and Grill in y'all city, but if y'all do, because I know most of the people that follow me on here are not from Baltimore. I'm from Baltimore. You dig what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to 10K subscribers, so y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all want to keep seeing me do these food reviews. See this tender right here? The rest of the burger, I hit him like that. I hit him like that. Shuts your mouth wide open. Dang. Now this is what you call smacking. Back to the mozzarella stick though. But yeah, man. It's your boy. I ain't about to eat all this on here. You know what I'm saying? I ain't about to eat all this on here, you did. You know what I mean? But it's y'all boy, Crazy Chris. Like I said, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man. I might just finish diving in this meal right here. I'm out.